Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. And as I say that Capricorn, see what I have on the clock for you. 111. Okay, so let's see what your energies are going to be like for this weekend. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn. Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Capricorn, let's start with an angel blessing card to bless your reading and then we'll start, okay? My angels, what do you have for Capricorn for this weekend? Blessing or an advice for my Capricorn? Blessing or an advice for my Capricorn? Blessing or an advice for my Capricorn, please? You're a leader. Yes, with the 111s. What else could we expect, Capricorn? So it's either time to take lead, take some action in your own life, or maybe you're already doing a great job. Let's see. Let's open the rest of your cards and see why this good energy is coming towards you. Okay, so welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here, showing up, and being such a support to the channel. I'm very blessed. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. If you enjoy this little mini read, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. Of course, your longer readings are getting ready. We'll start getting posted Monday onwards. Your love readings are coming up, the more in-depth ones. But this is just a mini read to check on your energy. And of course, Capricorn, if any of you need a private reading, my November schedule is open now. So you can email me on the description, at the email in the description box below. So I do see you in a little bit of stress right now, not being able to sleep at night, having nightmares, having headaches, thinking of something. What is it that you're thinking of? Page of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Lovers in reverse. Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the King of Wands in reverse. Are you keeping a watch out on somebody, Capricorn, or is somebody keeping a lookout on you? And you seem to be kind of guarding your energy at the moment, protecting yourself, no longer wanting to live in any confusion, wanting clarity. But there is a lot of spying energy going on, wanting to find out the truth about something. Maybe about this person who you're dealing with, who maybe comes across as a King of Cups, but maybe you suspect that this person is the Knight of Wands. Maybe is playing around, maybe is not being very honest with you. Maybe they don't show their emotions that easily, so you suspect that they may not be kind of being really honest with you. So you're wanting to find out a few things about them. So Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. Why is Capricorn in the Nine of Wands energy? Yeah, you want to make sure that they're not juggling you. They are sure of that you're the one and only. If they are juggling, you want them to drop it and before they return back to you. I think you're keeping yourself very safe and secure, not allowing them back in till you are sure that they've made up with their mind. You want a firm decision to be made, and yes, here you are with your sword, Capricorn. Like, I want the truth and the honest truth and nothing else, and come back to me if you have kind of made up your mind, because I'm not going to allow anything that's going to be mischievous or underhand, or any energy that's going to make me restless and upset. You're looking for the long term. You want yes, you want this decision made. You wanted this. I have two cards of the Lovers in reverse, right? You don't want any extra lovers on the side for, if they have any, you are wanting them to make a firm decision to come back to you, or else you are not going to give up your energy. You are being the leader you're supposed to be, right? You're standing up for yourself. What you are looking for, Capricorn, is something more stable. You are the Queen of Pentacles. You're showing up as somebody very safe, very secure, very abundant. You have your pentacles, you're loving, nurturing, kind. You're the perfect spouse material basically. And you feel that this person may not be on your same page and this person could be a bit mischievous, but you are kind of holding on to them. You haven't really let them go. You're just waiting for justice. You want wanting that whoever now this person, if they come back to you, they should come back to you in a stable energy. But till then, you're going to hold out on them and wait. Yes, here you are waiting and protecting yourself at the same time. You're willing to, go for another round with them, I think. But this time you want to go for the long haul. Yeah, you don't want any kind of drama surrounding this union now. You want the any toxicity to be released. You don't want to accept anyone who's not in high vibration the way you are showing up as the Queen of Pentacles, as the leader. You don't want any, you don't want to have any regrets of making a decision which will not serve you well. Right now, you feel maybe this person is still keeping a lot of secrets, is not giving you the entire truth, and you're keeping an eye on them, you're watching them, and you sense that they're watching you too, but they're not really opening up to you emotionally the way you would like them to. They come to me clean and clear, right? So if you don't, till then, I'm going to hold myself back maybe and stay strong. What you're looking for is the emperor, sorry. We're looking for an emperor who will be strong and who can take charge of things. You don't want to be with somebody who's going to play mind games, who's going to be selfish, who brings, no balance to this relationship. You are looking for the long haul. You're looking for the Ten of Pentacles, Capricorn. And you do suspect that this person maybe is a player, right? This person has many other options. Maybe they are going to make you lose in life because of their behavior. They will not bring balance into a relationship. What you want and what you suspect them to be are two different things here. So till you are not sure, Capricorn, you're not giving up your energy, you're holding yourself back because, you're not allowing any fresh new beginning. You're manifesting something very, very stable for yourself. You're not allowing just about anyone to come into your life and, rough it up again. You're manifesting this. The Ten of Pentacles. You want an emperor, you want somebody who's wise, who's in control, who will take charge of a relationship. And you're trying to avoid a King of Wands who's going to play games with you and not bring balance to your relationship. So till you don't, I'm not sure, Capricorn, you are going to be holding back, I think. That's what you're stressed about. That's what you're worried about. You're not accepting any offers because you are right now still in thinking mode, healing. You're still maybe single. You're still abundant on your own. You don't really need anyone. But you would like the Ten of Pentacles, right? Until you're not sure of the right person, you are going to be kind of being a bit defensive and holding back. So let's see what's happening with you on this weekend. Transformation coming, Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. Excellent. Wow. So here is a huge transformation coming, Capricorn. It's the death to the old ways and a huge turnaround of events, which is, I think, coming your way. I think you're calling out judgment on this person. You're calling them out to have like a straight conversation with them. You are going to be asking direct questions. So it's on the side, so I won't take it. So what's this Queen of Swords, Spirit? Yes, there's going to be a tower moment. I think there's going to be a solid conversation with the two of you. You're showing up as an equal pair though, Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. There's going to be a tower moment where, look at these two swords. Okay, so that means making a decision. And here's one sword with the Queen of Swords and here's one sword with the King of Swords. And I think putting both these swords in the reverse, I think a firm decision may be made this weekend. There's going to be a tower moment which is going to blow up any illusions and bring everything out in the clear, it seems. So one more card, Spirit, for the Queen of Swords. You're not allowing any kind of rebirth without that. You're not allowing anyone to come back till all secrets are going to be revealed. Now you want everything out in the open. It's like a courtroom. The truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Yeah, you are saying, I'm not going to give you another chance till I have all the facts and figures in front of me and out in the open. And decisions are made. So this is going to be a tower moment. King of Swords, Spirit. Okay, the Hermit. One more. King of Swords. What's the King of Swords all about? I think a lot is going to be talked about. The Queen of Wands is wanting some answers. They want the truth out. And the King of Swords, I think, has been in a hermit mode for a very long time as well. They've been shedding light to all the wrongs that have been put as to why this relationship has come to a stagnancy, of their fault in it. Maybe they said some things, maybe some harsh words were spoken. They are going to be thinking about all the bad memories now created in this relationship because of them, and they will also now, I think, realize why you're holding back from them. Okay, so Spirit, what is this tower moment that's going to happen? The one person wants clarity and the other person has shed light to it. So what can we expect this weekend? Any movement? Yes, somebody is returning. Somebody is returning to have this conversation with you, it seems. And it's going to be sudden, it's going to be shocking, it's going to be shedding a lot of light, and you're not going to be backing down because you are their equal. Yes, a lot of releasing. You can expect a lot of releasing. This could be with tears. This could be with secrets. This could be not holding yourself back anymore like you've been for so long. When this return comes and this tower moment happens and this conversation happens, it's going to kind of clear the energy, right? It's going to clear the energy to a lot of truths coming out. Free will to decide. You are a leader. You will know whether you want to, go back to them, you want to continue things with them or not. But you can expect certain things to be revealed very soon. This could happen this weekend, but I do see this King of Swords also taking stock of everything that's gone wrong and why, and Queen of Swords, who's their equal match, being very firm in her decision that I'm not going to accept anything less. Okay, that's a beautiful energy to be in, Capricorn. So let me know how it works and how it goes, and I will see you now next week for your in-depth love readings, and I will tap into their energy as well to see how they actually feel. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.